Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we are going to know about descaling by diluted HCl to increase efficiency.
Objectives. The objectives of descaling a condenser with diluted hydrochloric acid and trichloroethylene, a type of cleaning agent now in use ozone depleting, are multifaceted. The process aims to remove mineral scale deposits, restoring unhindered heat transfer and improving overall condenser efficiency. By mitigating scaling issues, it enhances energy efficiency, prolongs equipment lifespan, and ensures optimal performance in various industrial settings, contributing to a more reliable and cost effective operation. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify the condenser connection joints, prepare the descaling solution, descale the condenser with diluted HCl, follow the safety measure while performing descaling. The descaling process with diluted hydrochloric acid requires a specific set of tools, equipments, and consumables. Essential items include acid-resistant gloves and goggles for safety, acid-resistant brushes for application, and pH testing equipment to monitor acidity levels. Now let us take a look at the tools, equipments, and consumables. Double end spanner set 6 mm to 27 mm, screwdriver 12 inches, cutting plier, center punch, shell and tube condenser, descaling pump set and mixing tank, flexible hoses, hose clamps as required, litmus paper 0 to 14 pH, hydrochloric acid as required, gasket and hollow punch set, adjustable wrench, 5 wrench set, steel bucket number 1. Now let us see the preparations needed for descaling by diluted HCl to increase efficiency. Descaling a condenser with diluted hydrochloric acid is a strategic method aimed at boosting efficiency by mitigating scale deposits. Over time, mineral accumulation on condenser surfaces hampers heat transfer, diminishing performance. The use of carefully diluted HCl facilitates the removal of these deposits, restoring optimal heat exchange functionality and consequently enhancing the efficiency of the condenser in various industrial applications. Descale the condenser with diluted HCl. Before descaling a condenser with diluted hydrochloric acid, it's essential to follow a preliminary procedure to ensure safety, proper planning, and effective execution. Here's a step-by-step procedure to be followed. Review manufacturer guidelines. Consult the condenser's manufacturer guidelines, specifications, and maintenance manual to determine if descaling with HCl is recommended and safe for the specific condenser model. Follow any specific instructions or precautions provided by the manufacturer. Assess condition of the condenser. Inspect the condenser visually to assess the extent of scale buildup or fouling. Note any signs of corrosion, blockages, or damages that may affect the descaling process. Identify materials compatibility. Ensure the materials used in the construction of the condensers are compatible with hydrochloric acid. Some materials, such as certain types of aluminum alloys or rubber gasket, may react negatively to acid exposure. Select proper concentration of HCl. Determine the appropriate concentration of hydrochloric acid solution for descaling based on the severity of scale buildup, the material of the condenser, and any recommendations provided by the manufacturer. Typically, concentrations ranging from 5% to 10% used for descaling purposes. Prepare safety equipment. Gather and wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves, safety goggles, and a respirator to protect against chemical splashes and fumes. Ensure that emergency eye wash and shower facilities are accessible nearby. Plan shutdown of chiller system. Safely shut down the chiller system and isolate the condenser from the rest of the system to prevent water flow during descaling. Follow standard operating procedure for equipment shutdown to avoid damage or safety hazards. Prepare work area. Clear the area around the condenser and ensure that it is clean and free from any obstructions. Place absorbent material or spill containment devices under the condenser to catch any spills or drips during descaling process. Notify personnel. Inform relevant personnel or stakeholders about the planned descaling procedure, including maintenance staff, facility managers, and any other individuals who may be affected or involved in the process. Prepare equipment and tools. Gather all necessary equipment and tools required for descaling, including pumps, hoses, buckets, and safety gear. Ensure that all equipment is in good working condition and readily accessible. Procedure for descaling. Connect the acid circulating system to the condenser. Fill the mixing tank with clean water up to 3 by 4 level. Connect the acid circulating pump motor to the power supply. Open pump suction and delivery and vent valves. Start the pump and keep filling the mixing tank to maintain half level till the water returns back to the tank through the vent line. Stop cleaning water filling. Calculate roughly the water up quantity in the system. Add commercial grade hydrochloric acid to the mixing tank to the required quantity to maintain 5% of solution, that is, water and acid in the mixing tank. Circulate 4 hours after completion of 4 hours. Connect the written vent line to a movable barrel which could hold total hold-up quantity. Drain the system quantity to the barrel by operating the pump. Fill the mixing tank with fresh water and circulate. Check the pH value of written water till rises 7 to 7.5 water to be added if it reaches lower value pH. Stop the circulation. Drain the mixing tank and hold the water to an area outside the building. Shift the movable barrel with the 5% descaling solution to a safe place outside. Pour it down and pour fresh water. Disconnect the descaling system. Maintain safety measures. When descaling a water-cooled condenser, safety measures are paramount. Personal protective equipment, including gloves, goggles, and a respirator, must be worn. While adequate ventilation and chemical handling precautions are essential, proper dilution of descaling chemicals, isolation and shutdown of chiller system, and vigilant monitoring throughout the process are crucial to mitigate risks effectively. Here is the safety measure to be followed during the descaling process. Remember the cardinal rule. Add acid to water slowly, never other way around, to prevent hazardous reactions. Ensure eye protection by wearing goggles as safety precaution. Protect your hands by wearing gloves as a safety measure. Confirm that all connections are securely tightened to prevent leaks. Ensure the acid descaling system tank is not allowed to overflow. Prevent spills by monitoring tank's level closely. Pour out 5% descaling solution from a movable barrel to an isolated place or in a huge canal of flowing water. Ensure that welding joint from brush to rod is ground smooth and it should be of the rod dia.
Descaling a condenser with diluted hydrochloric acid HCl is a targeted approach to enhance efficiency. By removing mineral scale deposits, the process restores optimal heat transfer, addressing performance issues. The use of acid-resistant tools and safety equipment ensures a controlled and safe descaling operation, contributing to prolonged equipment lifespan and improved energy efficiency in industrial applications. In this topic, we came to know about how to identify the condenser connection joints, prepare the descaling solution, descale the condenser with diluted hydrochloric acid HCl, follow the safety measures while performing descaling. I hope you all understood the process of descaling by diluted HCl to increase efficiency. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.